Yes, welcome back to Chinese Adventures. Well, here we are, Loxton East, and I'll flip this around a little, or turn it around. Here we go. And look at the river. What a difference 3 months has made. Everything is green, everything's bounced back, the river level's dropped a huge amount. Now, all that area I'm just panning across here now, that was all flooded. All that was all gone. And all right up to that tree line over there. So just below the water tower there, for about probably 500 metres down towards the river, there's a place called Teely Sandbar where we used to camp at quite regularly. A lovely spot, free place to camp. And it's good to hear that the bloody ferals have got in there and they've decided, a few hobos decided to live there a bit, and they've stuffed it up a bit. So now the council handed back that particular area back to the national parks to look after. Now people can only stay there for 2 weeks at a time, and now they have to pay. Thank you very much to the ferals. You're a bunch of arseholes, and hopefully karma comes and bites you in the backside, because it's not very cool that all these good places that we get to stay at, and a few other idiots wreck it for everybody. So just keep that in mind, folks. If you ever go camping at these free sites, just make sure you look after what's going on. Take your rubbish home and keep the place tidy and keep your fires safe, and don't piss the neighbours off. Anyhow, whatever you're doing, have a lovely day.